Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a HomePod Mini not responding. I'll be going over some easy solutions to try out first, and hopefully they'll work for you. These are super duper easy, convenient solutions, and oftentimes these will do the trick. So let's get right into the video, okay? If your HomePod Mini is not responding, the first thing that you should do is make sure that your power outlet works. So obviously you're going to be plugging it into a power outlet. Now, oftentimes, when people think it's plugged in and it's not responding, it's because the power outlet has tripped the circuit breaker or blown the fuse. So always make sure that your power outlet works. Plug a lamp into it, plug another device into it and make sure that it works. Plug in like your charging cable to your phone and make sure it's charging your phone. Whatever the case is, make sure your power outlet works. I cannot tell you the number of times, even with myself, the number of times that has happened over the years where I think the appliance or the unit doesn't work, but it's the outlet that has been tripped for the circuit breaker or blown the fuse. So make sure the outlet works. Number two, check your power cable components. So obviously there's no battery in here. It doesn't charge up. It just plugs in and it works when it's plugged in. Now with the HomePod Mini, the cable is a really high quality, super duper flexible cable, which is great. So the likelihood of your cable being kinked or frayed is very slim, but still check your cable, make sure it's fine. Okay, check the tip of your USB connector over here, make sure that it's fine, and on this side as well of the power brick, okay? And make sure that your power brick is rated at the right amperage, wattage, in electrical terms, make sure that it's supposed to work properly. And obviously make sure the connection to the HomePod Mini is okay as well. Make sure you're not seeing like any wires here or anything like that, because that happens in some devices over time though. It usually takes a long time to happen, but you never know, it can happen early. So check your power cable components. Number three, unplug it and plug it back in. Sometimes, okay, there's a software glitch or a hardware glitch, and you've plugged it in, okay, and the power is going to the unit, but it's not responding. It's not turning on, it's not responding. What you should try is unplugging it and plugging it back in, because sometimes that will be enough to sort of give it a little reset and sort of wake it up. Now, I do recommend that when you unplug it, you leave it unplugged for about 10 to 20 seconds, even 30 seconds, just to be safe, then plug it back in. Hopefully that gives it a little reset and hopefully it wakes it up from whatever glitch is happening in there, okay? So unplug it, leave it unplugged for, 30 seconds to be more than safe. That's more than enough. Then plug it back in. Number four, check the Home app on your iPhone for alerts about the HomePod Mini. So on the Home app, you can get alerts about the devices or accessories, I should call them, that are connected to your device. So what I would do is I would get my iPhone and I would go into the Home app and I would then make sure that there's no alerts, because it might be telling me something about it needing an update, or maybe it's stuck on an update, whatever the case is, right? Check the Home app for alerts about your HomePod Mini. See if anything pops up. Lastly, I don't have experience with this working, but I've read that it can work on a specific forum, and that's to tap the volume up and volume down buttons a couple times. So you can see we have a plus right here for volume up and a minus for volume down. So you can give these just a couple taps, okay? Tap and hold them just like that a couple times and just see if it allows it to wake up and start responding, okay? Like I said, I don't have experience with this one working, but I've read that it has worked for quite a few people, so it's worth a shot. Maybe that's a way to wake it up from whatever's going on internally with the HomePod Mini. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.